last 2012 we are a system integrator of Mitsubishi, channel partner of Mitsubishi, and we have all the products which is required in industries like PLCs, HMIs, VFD, Servo, SCADA, which cater all the requirement of the industries. And we are in industry like pharma, textile, plastic, HPM, converting line, and we have also done some redundant type of job also, and safety also. So all the need which is there in for the industry is there with us. Nationally we are doing a lot of, and we have a territory, but definitely the companies which is there in our territory, they are selling the machine in different territory also. It is in also in India, or it is out of India also. We have a good engineering team. We have about 10 to 15 people we have, and in the panel division we have a design team also. So whenever we get the inquiries or anything like that, so we have to study the system, what the requirement of the customer. According that, we want to show the presence of our company in the Engiexpo, and we are also doing the panels, because since 2012 to 2015 we are in automation only. But then after we have started the panel, but so many customers are not knowing about this thing. So we want to introduce both the things. So we are in automation as well as we are in a panel also.